And also, it's a number school, it means that is a school to study Buddhism for